The slow-mo run is such a memorable part of Baywatch, right? That it seems a slow-mo run is just kind of the perfect way to celebrate it and make it more iconic than it already is. Perfect slow-mo run, I feel like you've just got to pick a point, focus on it, and do what you're doing with conviction. You gotta take it seriously. You cannot stop at any point. You cannot move backwards. You'll be immediately disqualified. I don't know why anyone would try to run in slow-mo backwards. And it's just, I don't think it's about who finishes first. I think it's more about like the spirit of Baywatch and kind of embodying that. I mean, it's everything that the original Baywatch was, just a little bit more R-rated and a little bit bigger. So, you know, the boat chases are a little bigger and the explosions are, and it's a little raunchier. It's a belly laugh movie, which is great, and I think what people need right now.